Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Camlin, BN Rathi Securities, Mazda, Shriram Finance, etc. Those have announced a split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Mohit Industries Limited. Share is trading around rupees 44.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mohit Industries. RTB Infrastructure and Power Limited. Share is trading around rupees 529. RDB Infrastructure announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of RDB Infrastructure, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Infrastructure. Senco Gold Limited. Current market price rupees 1134. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Senco Gold. Regis Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 149. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 16th January 2025. Mazda Limited. Mazda. Current market price rupees 1593. Mazda announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Mazda, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Mazda. KPT Industries Limited. Current market price rupees 1028. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 500 shares of KPT Industries, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 600 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KPT Industries. JBM Auto Limited. JBMA. Current market price rupees 1578. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by JBM Auto. Core Digital Limited. KDL. Current market price rupees 1744. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Core Digital, you will get another 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Core Digital. Mayuk Deal Trade Limited. Share is trading around rupees 2.31 per share. This penny stock announced a bonus in the ratio 3:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Mayog Deal Trade, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 800 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 17th January 2025. Kothari Products Limited. Kothari Pro. Current market price rupees 197. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Kothari Products. EFC India Limited. Current market price rupees 624. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by EFC. KSOLs India Limited. KSOLs. Current market price rupees 995. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by KSOLs. TCS Limited. TCS. Current market price rupees 4100. Company announced a board meeting on 9th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Record date for the dividend is already released, that is 17th January 2025. Nava Limited. Nava. Current market price rupees 972. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 20th January 2025. Red Tape Limited. Red Tape. Current market price rupees 864. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Red Tape, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by Red Tape Limited. Shardul Securities Limited. Current market price rupees 444. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means If you have 100 shares of Shardul Securities, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 13th January 2025. Shriram Finance Limited, Shriram Fin, current market price rupees 3048. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th January 2025. Richfield Financial Services Limited, current market price rupees 97. Company announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Richfield Financial Services. BN Rathi Securities Limited, current market price rupees 267. Company announced bonus in the ratio 1:1 and announced stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the bonus and stock split is fixed as 24th January 2025. Camlin Fine Science Limited, current market price rupees 137. Company announced a rights issue at the rate 5:41 at the rate rupees 110. That means if you have 41 shares of Camlin Fine Science Limited, you are eligible to apply for 5 shares at the rate rupees 110. Record date for the rights issue is fixed as 8th January 2025. Apply between 17th January to 27th January 2025. You can apply for rights issue from your mobile app itself. Upcoming IPOs. Standard Glass Lining IPO. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 133 to 140. Lot size 107 shares. IPO opens on 6th January and closes on 8th January 2025. Base of allotment 9th January. Initiation of funds 10th January. Credit of shares to Demat account and listing date is fixed as 10th January and 13th January respectively. Standard Glass Lining. Incorporated in September 2012, Standard Glass Lining Technology Limited is a manufacturer of engineering equipment for the pharmaceutical and chemical sectors in India. The company has the capability to manage the entire production process in-house. The company provides turnkey solutions including design, engineering, manufacturing, assembly, installation, and standard operating procedure for pharmaceutical and chemical manufacturers. The company's product portfolio includes reaction systems, storage, separation and drying systems, and plant engineering and services. This is the balance sheet of Standard Glass Lining for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.